These car parts expensive as hell, bruh. I really want to get something though. I just don't know what I want. Damn, I wonder who that could be. Hello?
Hello?
Hey, what's up?
What you doing?
Nothing, looking up car parts.
Oh, you trying to come over?
You do know it's snowing outside, right?
Okay, my parents are not home.
They not?
No.
Oh, say no more. Alright, I'm on my way. Shit, she ain't gotta tell me twice. I've been trying to go over there for like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Car parts, I'll be back. I'll order something when I get back home. Let's get it. She ain't gotta tell me twice. I can't say anything about out. He blocked me in. Damn, I wanted to take the S out. Oh yeah, I forgot I got a secondary car. Shit, it's covered in snow. This is what we gotta do to go see girls, man. Damn. Come on. Alright, we good. I should be able to get out of this driveway. Alright, fuck it. Put this back. Come on. She's waiting for me, please. I've been trying to get this for 2 weeks. You guys are, this car's messing me up. I think I got another idea. Because it won't let me go. I got another idea. All right, so I got another vehicle. I know exactly what I could do. Come on. Oh, we gonna get there, all right. We gonna get there. Come on. What I need a car for?
Northside shawty, give me next. Baby friend on net. Daddy got a check, she choosing every sense.